How to host paid Zoom webinar for profit. So very first thing that you need to do is set up a Zoom webinar structure and link it to an external payment processor or ticketing platform such as your Eventbrite, Stripe or Luma, right? So obviously the very first thing that you need to do is buy your Zoom webinar plan, and after doing that you'll be able to set up a Zoom webinar structure in order to link it. So after doing that, what you can do is simply configure your automation paths so that when a user pays, they automatically receive a unique registration link. After doing that, what you're going to do is package the downloadable supplemental learning materials like your PDF guides, templates to the increased perceived value of your ticket price, and that is how you will be able to actually host paid Zoom webinar for profits. So if you want to host the paid Zoom webinar, then simply tap on meet, and in here tap on start a meeting. Then you'll be able to see a webinar option. Simply do that and go along with the process, and that is all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful.